Hi everyone, System Test 46, we're now in full HD. This camera I'm using is 1280 by 720. I see the system, and this has got a slightly better microphone in it. The panels, the same setup. So far, camera looks at fire extinguisher. I'm selling that because I don't need it. Still got the Apollo smoke detector, the emergency light. Oh, the bulkhead. I said just needs the wire for something else, but just strip some wire there for it. The system, just got the light set up. Still got the Rafiki core point and the flash knee. ABC powered fire extinguisher. KC sounder, heat detector. Actually, the kiddie smoke detector's not there. There is a smoke detector down there. What happened? Well, I had to use that one. What happened at 6 o'clock in the morning? This thing went crazy. This thing was going off. You know, but there's no fire, there's no smoke, no dust. There's a fault with these kiddie smoke detectors. So yeah. System. Oh, I've just come back off holiday, and the basement decided to flood. It's from there and from there. It's come down here into here. Actually, I've just knocked off the fans because they are pretty loud. In here, nothing yet. Still got my cameras, strobe, Gent smoke detector. Still got that smoke detector there. Not scared. And go ahead and test the system. Also in here, heat detector and smoke detector. Right, where's don't tell me I've left spray. I don't have any got some right. I'll probably do this Gent first. I'll put it into walk test because what time is it? Oh, it's only 8:30. So tiny bit. Come on, reset panel. Come on. Is that wired up right? Yep, there we go. Oh, didn't really see that flash. There we go. Set that down. Come on. There we go. Right, do the Rafiki core point. Off of that. Right. And this camera also has a function. Right now it's on automatic, so right now it's choosing the setting I'm in, and it does have autofocus. If I do this, see, then I've quite quick off to focus. So that's well, and this. Oh, look what it is again. It's just that. I knew that was gonna go off. Anything else in the system? No, it's just that. Knew that was gonna go off. So yeah, that is. I'll probably just take the smoke detector down and give it. Well, just let it air out. 6 and 8 Apollo. The autofocus taking its time. I can do it manual auto, you know. So yeah, that's System Test 46 of the final system, and thanks for watching.